Hey guys, so quick update tayo with ChainCake. 2 days after the launch. So, tingnan natin ano yung advantage ng platform na to. Okay, this is another smart contract. So, maganda siya guys kasi this is very stable din and very transparent. So, tingnan natin yung advantage nito. Let me connect my account first. Ayan, so eto mag-earn tayo ng 5% daily, which is parang ang laki, di ba? Pero tingnan natin kung ano yung mga features nito to make this platform more sustainable. So far, 1,089 in just less than 2 days. So, meron na siyang 46 unique wallets na naka-invest or naka-stake, and then the contract balance. So, ito guys, lagi nyung titignan ha, yung contract balance. So, before doing anything, before you decide kung mag-all out tayo or not, but I think sobrang ganda ng project na to para hindi natin pansinin, diba? So, ito is another opportunity for us to generate more POL token. Alam naman natin ngayon na sobrang tumataas yung value ng mga crypto, diba? Lalo na yung Polygon token, ayan, si BNB. So, ito guys, this is a great start for ChainCake project kasi tingnan nyo naman nasa 1,089 na and there's 46 wallets na nag-activate nito. So, hindi pa ito nakikita ng mga ibang investors. Okay? Pag nakita ito din ng mga investors ni Polcash, it's possible na mag-diversify din sila kasi magkaiba naman sila ni Polcash. So, si Polcash, nothing to prove, very stable, and very sustainable, di ba? So, nakasalalay kasi sa community yan. So, pag nakita ito ng mga investors, I'm sure i-grab din nila ito kasi who doesn't want 5% daily, di ba? So, ang maganda dito, this is verified smart contract. And, ayan nga, 5% per day, pero meron siyang mga limits to make this platform sustainable. Di ba? So, this contract is only for 25 days. So, yung ibang mga project kasi, once na nag-invest ka, that's for lifetime na. Diba? So, yun yung mga HYIPs or what we call high yield investment platforms. Yung mag-i-invest, tapos lifetime na silang mag-earn, diba? So, yun yung nakakatakot. And another one is, yung mag-i-invest, tapos after the contract, ibabalik pa yung kapital. So, yun yung mga nag-overpaid talaga. Dito kasi, in 25 days, included na yung capital mo dun sa 125%. So, basically, we will make 1% per day lang, which is good enough. Diba? As long as sure na kikita tayo at tatagal yung platform. Okay? So, ang maganda dito, walang owners at walang nakaka-access ng mga funds natin. Walang magde-deactivate ng withdrawal button, di ba? So, yung withdrawal na yan ay nakakonect na dun sa smart contract. Every time na i-click natin yung withdraw button, diretso na yun na kakaltas dun sa smart contract without anyone na nagko-control dun. Okay? So, eto, kaka-withdraw ko lang and tignan natin, nag-try pa lang ako ng minimum. So, ayan guys, I have 5 na active deposit, 5 Polygon token lang. Okay, syempre, I'm doing the network side. So, for those of you na nag-invest din, if you can't do the network side, kasi this is just optional lang naman, you can also invest bigger amount. So, mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo yung computations. Okay? So, yung 5 Polygon token ko kahapon, ayan, total deposit, meron na siya agad na balik na 10 POL token. So, na-withdraw ko na din siya. Ibig sabihin, more than na ako profit, 'di ba? So yun yung advantage kapag nag-share ka ng project. Okay? And not everyone can share, 'di ba? Not everyone can invite people. Pwede niyo pa rin i-maximize yung earnings nito through compounding and let your POL token work for you. So syempre, nakabase sa capital natin yung earnings natin per day. Okay? So nandito yung details ng deposit and then yung mga referrals. So ayan, sa level 1 ko I have 4. Level 2, 3. Ayan. So, yung mga from level 2 up to 5 na yan is mga indirect referrals na yan. Okay? So, ang maganda dito, habang lumalalim yung genealogy natin, yung indirect referrals natin, mas lumalaki yung percentage. 'Di ba? So, and again, hindi naman siya katulad ng iba na 10%, something like that, na sobrang dami, 'di ba? Ito ay hanggang 5th level lang, tapos minimal lang siya hanggang 5%. So, that makes the platform sustainable. Okay? That's another one, okay? And then, andito yung contract, you can click that para mag-direct kayo sa contract. And, what else? So, yung features niya na anti-whale, which is, meron lang siyang maximum of 5,000 pol na deposit. And then, hanggang 200 lang yung withdrawals maximum. Tapos, ang maganda dito, meron siyang limit for withdrawals once a day lang. Okay? So, kaya hindi natin nakikita dito yung ating mga balance. So, yun yung ano niya, yun yung feature niya na para ma-avoid yung withdraw ng mga stakers, 'di ba? Ng mga investors. So, that's one added features to make this sustainable and a stable platform. Okay? So, ayan guys. And ito, pakita na natin yung compounding strategy. Okay? This is just an option guys ha. I'm just giving you an idea. Still, sa inyo pa ring account yan. Kayo pa rin yung magdi-decide para sa inyo, di ba? Kasi pera nyo yan. Okay? So, I'm just giving you an idea. So, ito guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung daily compound interest. Okay? So, say for example, mag-invest tayo ng 1,000 pol. Okay? Lagay natin dito sa walang currency kasi hindi naman siya US dollar, euro, or something na na currency. So, principal amount 1,000. Ang maganda kasi dito guys, maiksi lang yung contract niya, 'di ba? Hindi natin kailangan maghintay ng super tagal, which is good din 'yun para sa platform kasi kung matagal, doon na nga nagkakaroon ng overpaying yung contract, 'di ba? So nadi-drain. So ito, meron siyang anti-drain features. Okay? So ito, we're earning 5% per day and for just 25 days. So, ayan na guys, lahat ng details. And after that, click na natin yung calculate. So, we start December 1. Tamang-tama, di ba? Ang ganda ng start natin ngayon. So, let's calculate. Alright, so ito guys, ang magiging result mo on December 26, yung 1,000 na capital mo is magiging worth 3,386 na siya. Okay, so that's basically 238.6% na profit. So, that's the power of compounding. So, say for example, 100 lang yung kaya. Okay? So, sa 100, 5% per day. Let's try to compute first kung pwede tayong mag-compounding. So, 100 times 5% per day. So, 5 pol token ang earnings ng 100. It means you can stake. Diba? Kasi ang minimum stake is 5. Alright? So, nakalagay dito 5. So, ibig sabihin, we can stake daily. So, tingnan natin yung computation yan kung 100. So, 5% daily and for 25 days, let's calculate. Okay, so yung 100 pol token after 25 days, magiging 338 yung investment value mo. Okay, but again, bawat restake mo dyan guys is nag-start siya sa day 1. Okay, so ganun yung calculation niya. Kasi different contracts yun, di ba? Every compounding natin. Hindi siya yung makukuha mo na to agad at the end of your contract. So, since we're doing the compounding every day, so it means every day is another start ng contract yun. So, we have additional 5 pol token every day. So, may sarili siyang 25 days na contract. So, end of the day, we will still earn 238% after compounding your first capital. Okay? So, that's how it works, yung compounding nito. So, it's another project na pwede nating tignan just for diversifying your portfolio. Alam naman natin ngayon na sobrang taas na ng mga crypto, kaya sabayan natin yung pagbulusok niyan. So, make sure that you are earning a lot before it totally hits the all-time high of those cryptocurrencies, especially itong si Polygon token. Okay? So, that's all guys. Stay in my channel. And for those of you who are not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Again, this is Baby Snow. Happy earnings everyone. Bye-bye.